Namaste children, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing good. Today in this session number 8, we are going to discuss about representation of rational numbers on a number line. We are going to solve the problems from worksheet number 5 and also we are going to compare the rational numbers under the chapter rational numbers. Children, in the previous class, we have represented fractions on the number line. In the same way, now we are going to represent some of the rational numbers minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 on the number line. So, to represent these rational numbers, the first step is we have to draw the number line. At the middle 0, to the right side all the positive numbers, to the left side all the negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In the second step, you observe the given rational numbers, children. Here you have 2 in the denominator. So, between 0 and 1, we are making 2 divisions. Can you observe, children? I have put dot here. So, from 0 to dot, 1 division. From dot to 1, second division. In the same way, between 1 and 2, I have made 2 divisions. 1 to dot, 1 division. Dot to 2, another division. Same way in the left side. We have to make between 0 to minus 1, 2 divisions. Again minus 1 to minus 2. Between these two integers, we have to make 2 divisions. Children, now in step 3, between 0 and 1, there is a division, right? So, after 0, the first division is called as 1 by 2. The second division is 1 and third division will be 3 by 2. In the same way, to the left of 0, the first will be minus 1 by 2. This is minus 2 by 2, which is minus 1. The third one will be minus 3 by 2. Then we have minus 2, or minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. Now, we are going to represent all these rational numbers on this number line. The first rational number is minus 5 by 2. Where is minus 5 by 2, children? It is between minus 2 and minus 3. Between minus 2 and minus 3, we have to make 2 divisions. Here from minus 2 to this dot and this dot to minus 3, we have 2 divisions. To represent minus 5 by 2, after minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2, then we have minus 5 by 2. This is the fifth mark. So, from 0 to the left of 0, first, second, third, fourth, fifth mark is minus 5 by 2. Then is minus 3 by 2. So, from 0 to the left of 0 comes minus 3 by 2. Where is minus 3 means? It is the third division, isn't it, children? So, after 0, 1, first division, second division, third division. Third mark will be the third division, that is minus 3 by 2. Next is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 to the left of 0. The first division will be minus 1 by 2. We say this is the first mark. If we represent 1 by 2, 1 by 2 comes to the right of 0. 1 by 2 is, in the numerator we have 1. So, the first mark will be the 1 by 2. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 from 0 to the right of 0, we have first division, second division, third division. So, the third mark is 3 by 2. Where is 5 by 2, children? From 0 to the right of 0, between 2 and 3 integer, we have to make, as we know, we have to make 2 division between 2 and 3. This is third mark, third division, fourth division. This is the fourth division. This will be the fifth division, children. In this way, we mark the rational numbers on the number line, children. All these 3 steps must be done in the on the same number line, children. Next we have next set of rational numbers, that is 3 by 7, 5 by 7, minus 8 by 7, minus 2 by 7. Now how to represent these rational numbers on the number line? Let us know. Here at the center I have taken 0. To the right of 0 I have taken little distance from 0 to 1, again 1 to 2. From the left of 0, 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2. Between 0 to right side we have the first division. So between 0 to 1 we take what is in the denominator. How many? What is the number, children? 7. So we have to make 7 divisions between 0 to 1. This is the first division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th division. This way we have to take with equal distance, children. And again from 1 to 2 make 7 divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7th one. The same way to the left of 0. So I have made 7 divisions between 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2. First let us represent 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 comes to the right of 0 because it is positive. Therefore from 0 count 3 divisions, children. This is first, second, third. So the third mark is 3 by 7. This third mark is 3 by 7. Next we have 5 by 7. Where is fifth division, children? After third, fourth, fifth. This is the fifth mark, children. Fifth mark is 5 by 7. Then we have minus 8 by 7. Where is minus 8 by 7, children? To the left of 0. So we have to count after 0 totally 8 division. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 8th one is after minus 1. So this will be the 8th mark, and this is minus 8 by 7. Then we have minus 2 by 7. In the same way from 0 to the left of 0 we have to count first, second. This second mark represents minus 2 by 7. In this way we represent the rational numbers on the number line. Children, with this introduction let us solve the problems from worksheet number 5, second main. First let us solve second and third main, children. Then let us move to first main. Children, the question is, mark the following rational numbers on the number line. The number is 4 by 5. Observe the denominator, children. It is 5. First we have to draw the straight line with the help of the ruler, and we have to mark 0, 1, 2 to the right side of 0, and minus 1, minus 2 to the left side of 0. After that, children, in this way we represent 4 by 5 on the number line. The next is minus 8 by 3. We draw the number line or a straight line with the help of the ruler, and we represent first the integers 0, 1, 2, 3, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Between 0 and 1, observe, children, I have made totally 3 divisions because here in the denominator we have 3. From 0 to 1, this division is first division, second division, and this becomes the third division. In between 1 and 2 also I have made 3 divisions. Between 2 and 3 also 3 divisions. To the left of 0, between 0 to minus 1, 3 divisions. Minus 1 to minus 2 again 3 divisions. 1, 2, 3. From minus 2 to minus 3, 1, 2, 3 divisions. Now the rational number is minus 8 by 3, which is negative, which comes to the left of 0. Start from here, children. This is the first division 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, minus 6 by 3, minus 7 by 3. This is the 8th division, minus 8 by 3. This is the 8th division, children. Children, same steps we have to follow with the, to draw 5 by 2. Draw the straight line 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and between 0 to 1 we have to make 2 divisions, since in the denominator we have 2. 1, 2, again 1, 2. To the left side from 0 I have made 2 divisions between 0 to minus 1, minus 1 to minus 2. I have also included 3 in the right side, minus 3 in the left side, because the rational number is 5 by 2. From 0, count totally 5 divisions, children. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. This fifth division is 5 by 2 rational number. Children, next let us represent minus 7 by 3 on the number line. Here are the integers. To the right of 0, 1, 2, 3. To the left of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Count 7 divisions to the left of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7th division is the rational number minus 7 by 3. So I write here, this is the 7th mark, and this rational number is minus 7 by 3. Children, next question is represent the following rational numbers on a number line. In the previous main we have solved similar type of problems, children. The first rational number is minus 3 by 5. Here we have to draw the straight line between 0 to 1, 1 and 2. We have to make 5 divisions because the denominator is 5 here, and after making 5 divisions between the whole numbers we have to mark minus 3 by 5. Where is minus 3 by 5, children? To the left of 0. Count 3 divisions 1, 2, 3. This is the third mark, and the rational number is minus 3 by 5. In the same way, next is minus 2 by minus 3. To write it in the standard form, we know we have to take a minus sign to the numerator. It becomes minus 2 by 3. Here I have made between 0 to 1 3 divisions, 1 to 2 3 divisions, and to the left of 0 also between the whole numbers I have made 3 divisions because the denominator is 3. So to the left of 0, second mark is the rational number minus 2 by 3. Then we have 3 by 4. The denominator is 4. Mark 4 divisions between the whole numbers, and 3 by 4 is positive rational number. It comes to the right of 0. So after 3 divisions, or this is the first, second and third mark. Third mark is 3 by 4. Then the fourth one is minus 4 by minus 7. Children, where does minus 4 by minus 7 comes on the rational number means, here we have to first divide minus divided by minus, which becomes plus, that is 4 by 7, or you can also multiply by minus 1 in the denominator, in the same way minus 1 in the numerator, which becomes 4 by 7. So minus 4 by minus 7 is also the positive rational number which comes to the right of 0. Here between 0 to 1 and 0 to minus 1 I have made 7 divisions, and to mark 4 by 7 I have to move to the right of 0. After fourth mark, first, second, third, fourth. This is the fourth mark, children. This is the rational number 4 by 7. In this way we have understood how to represent the rational numbers on a number line. Children, now let us go to first main, state whether the following are true or false. If false, you have to justify the answer. First question is, on a number line, all the numbers right of 0 are positive. The answer is true, children. As we know, the rational numbers or the numbers to the right of 0 are all positive. Next question is, rational number minus 7 by minus 19 lies to the left of 0 on the number line. Children, in the previous problem we have solved minus 4 by minus 7, which we have written it as 4 by 7. That means minus 4 by minus 7 is a positive number. So 4 by 7 lies to the right of 0. In the same way, here minus 7 by minus 19 is nothing but 7 by 19, isn't it, children? 7 by 19, which lies to the left of 0, it is given. But according to us, the 7 by 19 lies to the right of 0. Therefore, the answer is false. Because minus 7 by minus 19 is equal to 7 by 19, which is a positive rational number, and 7 by 19 lies on the or lies to the right of 0. Lies to the right of 0, children. Children, next question is, on a number line, numbers become progressively larger as we move away from 0. Here you can observe, as already we know that to the right of 0, or as we move to the right of the number line, the numbers, value of the numbers increases. Whereas when we move to the left of 0, or when we move to the left on the number line, the value of the number decreases. Here, if I draw a number line, children, there are some numbers on the number line. As I move to the right of the number line, minus 2 and minus 1, if I compare, minus 1 is greater than minus 2. 0 is greater than minus 1. 1 is greater than 0. So, when we move to the right on the number line, the value of the number increases. Whereas, if we move to the left of the on the number line, suppose if I move like this, when I compare 2 and 1, which is smaller, children? 1 is smaller than 2, and 0 is smaller than 1. Minus 1 is smaller than 0. Therefore, as we move to the left side, the value decreases. But here it is given that on a number line, numbers become progressively larger as we move away from 0. So, in the second case, we have observed that the value decreases. So, the answer is false, children. So, you can take any two integers here, minus 2 and minus 1. When I compare them, which is greater, children? Minus 1 is greater. So, the answer is false. Next question is, rational numbers 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 are at equal distance from 0. The answer is true, children. Because 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3 are at the equal distance on the number line. On a number line to the left to a given number is greater. Here you can observe the number lying to the left to a given number. So, if this is minus 1, and which is the number lying to the left of minus 1, children? That is minus 2. Is minus 2 greater than minus 1? No. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. So, the answer is false here. If you compare 1 and 2, children, which is greater here? 2 is greater, or 1 is smaller than 2. Children, Next, let us discuss about comparing the rational numbers. Children, we can compare the rational numbers by representing them on the number line. We have already discussed earlier. Here, you have to note a point that we have represented the rational numbers on the number line. Here, between 0 to 1, I have made 3 divisions. The first division is 1 by 3. Second division is 2 by 3. In the same way, to the left of 0, between 0 and minus 1, I have made 3 divisions. First, second and third. So, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. This is minus 1. Here, any number on a number line is less than any other number lying to the right of it. So, if I take a number 1, you can observe that to the right of 1, which is the number, children? 2. 2 is always greater than 1. In the same way, if you consider any rational numbers here, like 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. Or let me take 4 by 3 and 2 by 3. Which is right side on the number line, children? Whether 4 by 3 or 2 by 3. Here it is 4 by 3. So, 4 by 3 is greater than 2 by 3. One more example if I take here. 1 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. 1 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. On the number line, which is to the right side, children? 1 by 3 is right of minus 4 by 3. You can observe here. Therefore, 1 by 3 is greater than minus 4 by 3. In this way, we can say that any number on a number line is less than any other number lying to the right of it. Or which is to the right side is always greater, which is to the left side of the given number is always smaller. This thing you have to remember, children. Here we know we can easily represent or on the numbers or rational numbers on the number line. And there is one more method without representing on the number line. In that we have again 2 methods. One is by making the denominators common and by cross multiplying. So, let us discuss these 2 in the next class, children. In this session, we have completed representing the rational numbers on the number line, and also we have solved the worksheet number 5, and a little we have discussed about comparing the rational numbers. Hope you have understood well, children. Thank you, children.